Alright guys, so now we are going to discuss something more about the chill water supply and other things. So this is our drawing, chill water supply and return drawing. So before we start this drawing analysis and quantity takeoff, we have to understand the legend first. So always I remember, before we start the quantity takeoff, we have to focus the legend first. So in the legend they clearly mention so what are the items or components involved in the system. So based on this we can take the quantity. So first off we will analyze these all the legend component first, then we will go for the drawing analysis and the quantity takeoff. Right, the first of item is FCU. FCU mean we know very well, we discussed very deeply in the HVAC system. Right, now the chill water supply and return system also involved in this FCU, but this quantity is already taken. So in this system we are not taken the quantity for the FCU, so very careful this point. Right, so FCU mean we know very well. So the FCUs is the control the air temperature. So inside this FCU there is a fan and coil also available. So the chill water is it's going to this coil and it's cooling the coil, then the fan is provide the air, then the outside air will be conditioned air. So we have two options also, we discuss the heat and cool. So based on this, based on our requirement, we can change the mode. So the FCU mean the fan coil unit, so we know very well the function also. Right, the second one is you can see here the CHWS mean chill water supply, then CHWR mean chill water return. Okay, so there's a two pipes are available. So in the drawing also clearly mentioned, the blue color is the supply, the red color is the return. So now I am going to show this is the chill water supply and return pipes. So generally we use ERV black steel pipe, so we have to remember this name. So for the chill water supply and chill water return, so we use the ERW black steel pipes. So this is the chill water supply and return pipe appearance, so we just remember. Right, another item is STR. STR mean we can say the strainer, so it is also one of the very important item in the chill water supply. So the picture of the strainer is it's look like this. So it is also fixed the mid of the pipeline system, and the main function of this strainer is the purification and filtering or separation from the solid matters or solid particles inside the pipeline system. So you can see here the pipe flow is this way. So if any solid particles coming through way, if the solid particles reach in this point, so it is automatically going downwards. So we can remove this gap and we can easily extract this solid particle from the pipeline. So this is the main function. And also we have to know there's three type of the strainers are available. So the first one is a Y type, the second one is the T type, the third one is the bucket type. All the strainer, the function is the same. So I will show these all strainers. This one is the first one is the Y strainer. So the appearance of this item is look like Y. And also T. So this item also it's look like a T, so that's why it's called as a T strainer. And also the bucket strainer, it's look like some bucket. The another item is GV. GV means gate valve. So the gate valve, the appearance is look like this. So the main function of this gate valve is the gate valve is generally used to completely shut off. So that is a very important term, completely shut off the fluid flow or fully open. So this is only for two options available. So we cannot do the partial open or partial close. So if we make like this, so this valve will be damaged. So the complete shut off or complete open. So this is the main function of this gate valve. And also you can see here these gate valves are installed in the area of the pipeline where they will longer remain open or closed. So this is very important. So these gate valves are generally fixed in the chill water supply line system. So it's chill water is a continuous flow to the FCU, so that's why we always open this chill gate valve. So this is the main function of this gate valve. The next item is FC. FC means the flexible connector. So the appearance of the flexible connector is look like this. You can see here this these are the flexible connector. It's connect with, you can see these are the chillers, very big chillers. So these chillers is used in the for the district cooling plant. So we already discussed many things in the chiller. So you can see there is a pipe, one of the pipe point is connect with directly in the chiller, and there is a flexible connector. So the main function of this flexible connector is providing the flexibility for the critical point. So these are the very critical point, because there is a high pressure will be occur in this point, so there is a vibration also produced. So that's why it's also one of the vibration observer. So we used this type of the flexible connector for the critical point. All right, so another item is you can see that DV mean train valve. So the train valve, the appearance, it's look like this. So the main primary function is training of the fluids from the pipes, tanks or other container for the maintenance, cleaning or other emergency purposes. So this is a main function to train the fluid from various tanks, pipes and other containers. So this is the main function. The next item is the pressure independent control valve. So the pressure independent control valve, the appearance is look like this. Okay, so the name also the pressure independent control valve. The main function also to keep the constant pressure inside the water flow. So if any pressure difference occur inside the water flow, then this valve help to balance the water pressure. So this is the main function. And another thing is you can see here double regulating valve. So another item is double regulating valve. So the double regulating valves, the appearance it's look like this. The main function is for this double regulating valve to control the water flow rate. Very important, the flow rate and pressure. So it's doing the double work, so that's why it's called the double regulating valve. And also we called as a balancing valve also. So it's control the water flow rate and also the pressure. So this is the main function. The final item is IV, isolation valve. So we already discussed the gate valve or the isolation valve. The isolation means the main function is completely shut off the fluid. Okay, so this is the main function. But the gate valve we can say complete shut off or complete open. So we have the two functions, the gate valve. So the isolation means one and only the function is isolation valve. So these are the important components in the HVAC system. So and also there is the notations available. LS mean liter per second, bottom of the pipe, BOU mean bottom of the unit, finished floor level like this. So this is a very important key point before start the quantity takeoff. So now I'm going to start the detailed drawing analysis.